Disasters happen at every level. There was a time when Gujarat used to be a water deficient state. There was a time when water used to be transported from water surplus areas of Gujarat to water deficient areas of Gujarat by trains. We have 100,000 policemen on roll, almost 100,000. I'm making a round figure. And these figures I got to know only when I became Home Secretary. They are uniformed, disciplined, they have an immediate presence, they are familiar with the terrain. Gujarat management of Biporjoy has been appreciated at the national level. The Prime Minister himself supervised and coordinated with the Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Home Minister also, the state administration, we all were alerted. Hundreds of policemen were deployed. Where innovatively I used the presence of police was in something we called reverse quarantine. Now, reverse quarantine is a word which was coined by us. Police is an essential force to work with other stakeholders in management of a disaster situation. Thank you very much.